Hello everybody, if you are here for the unboxing video, it's going to start right here. Otherwise, we're going to go down, pick some appliances up, talk about appliance parts, and then we're going to get to the unboxing video.
Look at this lovely weather, everyone. And I just decided to swing by the appliance place, and they just dropped these beauties off. It's even got wine in the one down there. Nice racks though. We're gonna get a lot of snow tonight. So, fortunately, that means no dumpster diving tomorrow. But in the meantime, let me put a picture up here of Bob. I went and visited Bob last night at the hospital. His heartbeat rate was down below 40. They did a test today and they found out that he has a blockage, 50% blockage. They say there's not much they can do about it. So, not until he gets to be a 75% blockage. So, his grandson said he would be home tomorrow. Hope that's the case, but man, I sure wish he would be able to go out dumpster diving soon. Of course, with all this beautiful weather, I won't be dumpster diving anytime soon myself. But I am very happy to have these parts to get Kylie going next week. She's been shipping for me too, doing a heck of a job. So these are some really nice parts. What about the wine? What do you think? I think I'll leave the wine for now. Maybe it's not wine. Yeah, it's wine. It's got it. Gotta be the way that comes off, right? There we go. Phew, that stinks to high heaven. Ooh. What do we got here? Interesting. See what I see in there? Reese's peanut butter cups. What am I missing here? What the heck? Okay. This door opens up right there. Why would that open up? Boy, I don't get it. This is so weird. Well, you got me, boys. Damn, this snow's coming down fast. Got that one. Reese's peanut butter cups. Probably nothing wrong with them. Wow. Alright, there's gotta be a way to get this. Why would the hell would you make a door like that? It wouldn't open. That's how you open it. What you got? Got me. Crazy. Alright, gotta get the model number off this thing. Where are you at, model number? There you are. Alright. Wow. Oh, those are pretty nasty. I think I'm just going to go with that. Get out of here. Whew. Welcome to winter.
All right, everybody, this is the unboxing part of the video. This is my wife, Diane. You've seen her around. This is the box. I got it from a website called Smaller Lots. I'm going to show you what that's like right now, and then we're going to come back and open this thing up.
Can't see you.
All right, everyone. So this is smallerlots.com. This is the website that I use to buy the Amazon returns from. As you scroll down here, they've got some samples that you can choose from, or you can click right here at Shop Now. Then this page will pop up, and you can kind of glance through and see if anything jumps out at you. This one jumped out at me earlier because they had this Timberland in there, and I know those are pretty expensive shoes. So you can use this magnifying glass here to go around and try and see what you can see in the box. They only have one picture. However, down here they will give you a breakdown of what's in this box. And here are those Timberland Pro Mans or shoes. And if you go over here to the right, this is the Amazon number that you can search for. When you search for that, you'll see this is the Timberland Pro Mud Seal Low Steel 2-toe lace up black blah blah blah. Anyway, $87.69 is what that shoe would sell for. So as we go back here, we look through this list, you see here, well, this is 2018 tax software from 2018. Well, if you scroll back over here, it shows you that, well, look at it, that's a $90 value and a $59 and a $50 value. I don't think you're going to get anything for that right now. So this would probably be a group that I would probably stay away from. So let's look at another one here. Now this one here also jumped out at me because, hey, there's the Batman logo. So we open up this one. This one's only $209. And we come down here and it says, where is it? Here is DC Collectibles Bat Family Batgirl multi-part statue. And that is, or is that? That's they're saying that that's worth $60 that you'd get for it. But then my eyes are drawn up here. What's this thing that's $262? Well, it's an L.K. Bennett women's Andrea dress pump, size 6.5. I did look those up, and those are indeed that expensive online. Now, not many have sold on eBay, but maybe that's something that better sells on Amazon. So if you were to buy this lot, and you could sell those shoes for $262, you would have already made your money back, and the rest of this video will be clear profit. So anyway, that's the website I used. I believe it was free shipping. So let's take a look at our box and see what we got. There. Go ahead and open it, Diane.
You're so short. I'm so short. I can't wait. It's like Christmas.
It's a safety knife.
I need that.
The blade goes back in when you're done.
All right, don't peek.
You don't peek. Let's get the camera up. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Give it a try.
All right.
Wow. Does not look like what I purchased online. I actually know this is it. Okay, this is the Gem Pearl.
So this is what I bought the main box for, because this was selling at the time for $179 online. It looks like it's been opened, would you say?
Yes.
Probably, so I'll have to make sure that it's all there. But let's see what else we got.
Who could live without a locomotive? I think so.
Yeah.
Yep.
There we go. Wisconsin Central 2001. So I'll put down on the screen what that should be worth online. It looks like it's all there.
Oh, I see a chi. What is this?
A chi.
Chi is from, ceramic hairstyling. Those are really pricey. So I wonder why they got returned. Oh, Chi Air. That might have to have a little bit more investigation.
How so?
Just to know exactly what it is.
So in other words, you think it's okay? So it's just so.
I think a Chi's really a good brand. So that's pretty good.
Okay.
Might have a kid that wants that. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. Well, for now, as we go through these, I'll put them up on the screen what I think they're worth after we do some more investigating. Okay, next.
Next, we have Infinity.
How about go ahead and open
You
it.
sit.
I'll sit and you stand. That'll work.
So tall. There we
Oh,
go.
that's so much. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Wow. Infinity. I don't know if it's like a game case or what, but let's take a look. Oh, they're shoes. Kind of cute. Ooh, they've been worn.
They've definitely been worn.
Kind of cool. I don't know what these are for. Can resell them, or maybe there'll be a student that could wear them.
Infinity size 6.
Oh,
So we'll see. Again, I'll put it up on the screen. Obviously, they're used.
Cool.
So
you want to pick something out?
no, go right ahead. You're doing great.
All right. Advantage for large cat. Kills fleas. Ooh.
It's an open box. Okay.
And they went everywhere.
Oh, they're all
And
over.
we have about 4 inches of snow on the ground, so you know.
Which is why we're doing this video, because there's no dumpster diving in the near future.
All right,
it-
so
yeah.
advantage.
All right. I see a pair of shoes in there. What do you got there?
We got some Under Armour shoes. Very large Under Armour shoes.
These are size 15.
Let's see. They are size 13.
All right.
Okay.
They look used. I mean, obviously they've been out of the package.
They don't look too used. Somebody tried them on. They didn't fit.
They didn't fit the price on them back, so that could be a good deal.
Oh, more advantage for large cats.
Oh, yay. Okay.
Looks like we have a gnat. No. Little giant.
Condensate pump.
Yeah, what he said. Oh, that is,
Let me see that while you go look at the next thing. Oh, it's just ink.
yeah.
Ink cartridges. Oh, yeah. And then this is all in there, so we're good.
Our next item is the T outliner corded trimmer. Must be for shaving and all that fun stuff.
Oh.
See that?
Yep, okay. T outliner.
You want me to give you a haircut later?
Yeah, no.
And a water pick. Which scares me because the box was open, but you never know. Let's see.
Well, this thing looks still brand new. The cord's still tied up, still in its plastic cover, so I think this could probably be sold as new.
Oh, here's a water pick water flosser. Okay.
Does it look new?
It looks like nobody opened it.
Okay, yeah, it looks pretty
Pretty
new.
new, not, it's still in package, not open at all. No, see?
Water flosser. Okay, good.
So that's good, not even
That's
on the
good.
bottom. So, yep. Alright. And last but not least,
Or maybe it is leased, we don't know.
I don't know what this is. Looks like it's a, ooh, safety.
Safety knife. She's a safety girl.
Oh, safety
Just like Julia
first.
Roberts.
Safety first.
We should have did this like on a live stream. That's what we should have.
I thought about that too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe I can always buy another one if this works out.
Well, I gotta get your money back first. I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be touch and go.
The only thing I'm excited about is the chi.
Well, that's good. That means we're gonna sell some stuff. Not keep it all. You're breaking the box.
Well,
How can I sell it now?
Century Safe.
Oh, it's a Century Safe. There you go.
Oh, it seriously is a
Oh
safe?
wow, it's a brand new safe.
Wow. Oh, it's got a little scratch there. I think that's fine.
All right, so it's got a scratch, but it's got the keys right there on the top. That's definitely brand new. Wow, it's got the thumb, your thumb thing here, so you can put your thumbprint on there and open it. Wow, we may have to keep that for all of our gold.
Or copper.
Or copper. That's funny. All right. Anyway, guys, so this is what we paid for all this stuff, and this is what we feel that it's worth. So, did we do well? I don't know yet. Time will tell. If we make our money back, we'll do it again. Maybe we'll do it as a live stream next time. So, see you, everybody.
Bye.
Let's hope the snow goes away so we can get back to dumpster diving.
Yeah,